2018 Hyundai Elantra GT review. The Elantra GT is entirely redesigned for 2018 and shares a lot of the same mechanical components as last year's redesigned Elantra Sedan. From there, however, the sedan and hatchback differ since GT is effectively the European market Elantra. As such, it's got distinctive exterior styling plus a considerably different interior planning. The interior is not just divergent from your sedans but from interiors with the rest of Hyundai's lineup too. It's a good look, superior to the rather conservative sedans, we feel, yet it maintains the brand's user-friendly controls. We also this way an 8-inch touchscreen is standard equipment, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There are two flavors with the GT available. The base version has more standard power compared to Elantra Sedan, nonetheless its fuel economy is worse, which can limit its appeal if fuel economy is usually a priority to suit your needs. The GT Sport comes with an ample 201 horsepower looking at the turbocharged engine, and yes, it actually gets better fuel economy through an automatic transmission versus the base version. The superior fuel economy and power, plus its improved handling capabilities, have the Sport a lot more desirable and competitive choice. No matter the version, though, you'll such as the Elantra GT's mixture of space, performance and magnificence. Along with models like the Honda Civic, Mazda 3, Subaru Impreza and Volkswagen Golf, the revolutionary 2018 Elantra GT will probably be worth the look should you be paying for the hatchback. What's new? The Hyundai Elantra GT hatchback seemingly redesigned for 2018. Though it costs considerably more versus the base trim level, the Sport may be the one to get. It's sharper and much more composed handling thanks to a more sophisticated rear suspension design and stronger engine allow it to be more fun drive an automobile. It also comes standard with features that you probably want, however they are optional for the base version. Still not sold? With the automatic transmission, the Sport gets better fuel economy compared to base GT. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Hyundai Elantra GT hatchback will come in base and Sport trim levels. The base GT has an 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine, 161 horsepower, 150 pound-feet of torque that drives leading wheels most likely through a 6-speed manual transmission or maybe a 6-speed automatic. The GT Sport upgrades into a turbocharged 1.6-litre 4-cylinder 201 horsepower, 195 lb-ft and either the manual transmission or perhaps a 7-speed, dual-clutch automatic. Standard features for the base Elantra GT include 17-inch alloy wheels, a rear-view camera, LED running lights, a height-adjustable driver's seat, 6040 split-folding rear seats, Bluetooth, an 8-inch touchscreen interface, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, a USB port and satellite radio. Getting the bed's base trim's optional style package is probably worth the cost. It adds blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, keyless ignition and entry, dual-zone automatic climate control, a leather-wrapped leader, a power-adjustable driver's seat and heated front seats. The GT Sport contains the contents in the style package as standard plus the harder powerful engine, bigger brakes, 18-inch wheels, a more elaborate sport-tuned suspension, LED headlights, an electronic digital parking brake, upgraded gauges and leather upholstery. The base GT may also be had together with the tech package, including the Sport's bigger brakes, electronic parking brake and LED headlights including a panoramic sunroof, ventilated front seats, Bluelink communications, a navigation system, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, an invisible smartphone charging pad plus a 7-speaker infinity stereo audio. If the GT Sport doesn't always have the malmochi, the above-mentioned features are within the GT Sport's tech package. It also includes adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning and automatic braking, lane departure warning and intervention, automatic high beams plus a driver inattention warning system. Driving. We expect the GT to get fairly similar to the Elantra Sedan, with comfy front seats and acceptable ride quality. The Sport might be firmer, nonetheless its multi-link rear suspension provides us hope that it'll achieve an agreeable balance between handling and comfort. Comfort. We expect the GT for being fairly like the Elantra Sedan, with comfy front seats and acceptable ride quality. The Sport will probably be firmer, nonetheless its multi-link rear suspension provides for us hope that it'll achieve an agreeable balance between handling and comfort. Interior. The Elantra GT includes a higher build quality and also a more visually dynamic interior than its sedan sibling. It's still convenient to use, however, and its squared roofline can make it easier to penetrate and out with the back seat. Utility. The Elantra GT's maximum cargo capacity of 55.1 cubic feet helps it be one in the most versatile to use segment. It's even roomier than most subcompact SUVs. Small item storage is additionally very good. Technology. The Elantra GT comes standard with Hyundai's user-friendly 8-inch touchscreen interface. Virtual buttons are really easy to see and press, plus the menus add up. Besides blind spot monitoring, advanced driver aids are limited by the Sport trim level and its tech package.